Yes, hello 6th class students. Let's continue our lesson number 11, Google Drive. From here, getting started with Google Drive. Assessing Google Drive. To use Google Drive, the user is required to have a Google Drive account. To access Google Drive, follow the given steps. Visit www.google.com and sign in with Gmail account by giving the valid username and password. Your Gmail account windows will open. Now click on the Google App Launcher button located at the top right corner of the web page. A list of options appears. Select the Google Drive icon. From the list, the Google Drive windows open. So students, if you want to use Google Drive, then there should be your email address in Gmail. Means your Gmail account should be there in the Google, or you should have one email account in Gmail. So when you have, if you have Gmail account in Gmail, then you can use this Google Drive. So I have one account, my own account in Gmail. I will show you it practically. So like this is my account in Google Drive. So I already opened this. From here you will click on this button, Google Drive icon. Then from here you select Google Drive icon button. When you click on this button, your Google Drive will open and your computer should be connected with the internet at the same time. You should check it properly. अगर आपका कंप्यूटर कनेक्टेड नहीं इंटरनेट से, तो आपका उस टाइम पे नहीं खुलेगा. Okay, so like it will take few minutes to open if you are connected with the internet. Now it is opening now. You can see when you click on the Google Drive this button, then this आपको फिर से बता रही हूँ मैं, यहाँ से आपने क्लिक किया तो यहाँ पे एक गूगल ड्राइव का बटन आया जो आपकी बुक के ऊपर भी दिया पेज नंबर 133 पे. तो दिस टाइप ऑफ बटन विल ओपन. यहाँ पे आपने क्लिक किया तो ये मेरी ड्राइव खुल गई. सो इन दिस ड्राइव यू कैन सी मैनी ऑप्शंस आर देयर. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन वी विल सी अपलोडिंग अ फाइल और फोल्डर. अपलोडिंग फाइल और फोल्डर. To upload a file to your drive, choose the upload files option from my drop down list. Click on the new button and select the file to upload. So this is the new button. You can click here, and when you click here, your file upload button will come. You can upload a file also. Similarly, you can upload a folder also. अगर आपने फाइल अपलोड करनी है तो आप फाइल पे क्लिक कर दोगे. Then you select the file. जैसे आप क्लिक करोगे, then you have to select the file which you want to upload. उस फाइल को आप अपलोड करना चाहते हो, वो फाइल पे आप क्लिक करोगे. Then select the file which you want to upload. जहाँ से आपने अपलोड करनी है, like this one I want to upload. Then click on open button. In this way the file will be uploaded on your OneDrive. तो आपकी फाइल आपके कंप्यूटर से कहाँ चली जाएगी? आपके OneDrive फोल्डर के ऊपर. Similarly you can do upload the folder also from here. Click on the new and then folder upload. यहाँ से आप पूरा का पूरा फोल्डर भी अपलोड कर सकते हो. Okay, now we will see. This will show the message also side by side. Your file is uploaded. If you want to cancel, you can cancel also. Like I am cancelling here. Just I want to show, that's why I have clicked on that button. Now we'll see next, organizing files and folders. Look at your book, page number 134, organizing files and folders. This already I shown you. Upload your file and folder. Now we'll see organizing files and folders. So after uploading you can organize them in a relevant folders. Google Drive provides you with the facility to create as well as to upload folders. तो Google Drive के ऊपर आपने आपकी जो फाइल्स पड़ी है उसको आप ऑर्गेनाइज प्रॉपर वे में करके रख सकते हो. लाइक इफ योर फाइल्स आर देयर, हाउ यू कैन मेक अ न्यू फोल्डर. If you want to create a new folder, you see these steps. I will show you side by side also. So like this is my Google Drive. For this I will click on the new button. List of options will appear. So click on the new button, select the file and select the new folder option. A small window will appear. Specify the file name and click on the create button. The folder gets started. So here you can click here. Then there are so many options are there. You can see from here also, or you can see from here. This is the new button. Then from here you can create a folder. Then click on the folder, type your folder name and then click on create button. Then your file folder will be created. Moving a file or folder. If you want to move any file, select the file which you want to move. Then like these are, there are so many files are there. I want to see select one file. So this is your view button. You can click anywhere so that it will be open. So for moving a file or folder, just we'll look at the steps. Click on the file that is to be moved. Click on the more actions button on the top right corner of the web page. Select the move to option from the displayed list. Select the folder from the displayed list or the folders and click on move button. The files move on the particular place. So you have to select the file which you want to move. Like this file, if I am selecting, then I will click on this file I have selected and I will open. I am trying to open this file and this file will come like this way. This button is there. So here internet connection is slow, so that's why it will take few minutes to open. So when you click the file or select the file, then there is this type of icon will come, 4 dots will come in the side of the box. In there you will click on the move to option. The next option is you're searching a file or folder. Users can store a large number of files on the massive storage capacity that Google provides. Look at this paragraph. Searching so users can store large number of files on the massive storage capacity that Google provides. Sometimes it becomes difficult to locate the file among so many files. The searching feature of the Google Drive enables you to look a file using keyword that exist within the file or folder. तो कई बार स्टोरेज कैपेसिटी इतनी ज़्यादा फाइल्स होती है हमारी कंप्यूटर के ऊपर, इतना मैसिव हो जाता है कि हमें उसमें से फ़ाइल ढूंढना मुश्किल हो जाता है. तो इन दैट केस गूगल हमारे लिए ईजी कर देता है. इसमें एक सर्चिंग फीचर होती है जहाँ से हम ईजिली अपनी फ़ाइल को सर्च कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे अगर हमने आई विल शो यू here this is the search box button. Here you can type the file name which you want to search. Like if I write here my file name is Bandicam, then I press the enter key, then it will show the files related with the Bandicam. तो जितनी भी files related होगी, फाइल का नाम जो भी आप लिखोगे, then it will take few seconds to search and it will show the files. This is the file like Bandicam, it will show the files related with that. Or if you can search second method also, you can type the file type also. Like if you are searching PDF file, then click on write PDF files or Word files or documents files or spreadsheet file, Excel file. Then you can type here the file extension or type of the files, then it will open all the files related with the PDF. Next students, look at your book page number 135, deleting files. So how you can delete your files? You can delete your files. Select the file. So deleting means deleting a file from Google Drive. It's moved to the trash folder. अगर आप कोई फाइल डिलीट करते हो तो आपकी फ़ाइल वो कहाँ जाके स्टोर हो जाएगी? आपके ट्रैश के अंदर, यहाँ पे जाके स्टोर हो जाएगी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ़ आई एम सेलेक्टिंग दिस फाइल and I want to delete this file, I will click here and then this file will be removed from here and it will move to the trash. So this way we can remove the file. We select the file and click on trash. Now if we want to restore the file back, then we will go in the trash folder. यहाँ पे ट्रैश के अंदर आपकी वो फाइल पड़ी होगी. यहाँ पे अब मेरी डिलीट नहीं हुई है फाइल, तो देयर इज़ नो फाइल हियर. सो इफ़ यू आर क्लिकिंग ऑन द ट्रैश फोल्डर, यहाँ पे आपकी फ़ाइल आ जाएगी जो आपने डिलीट की है. देन सेलेक्ट द फाइल एंड क्लिक ऑन रीस्टोर बटन. आपके यहाँ पे आइकन में यहाँ पे ऊपर एक रीस्टोर बटन आ जाएगा, यहाँ पे आप क्लिक करोगे, देन यू कैन गेट योर फाइल बैक. नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन इज़ व्यूइंग फाइल्स. So students, you can view your files in two ways, by list view and grid view. So this is the view, list view, and this is the grid view. So when you click on this one, the files will be shown in grid view also, or you can see in list view also. So go in My Drive and then you can see your files and folders, and in this way we can see our files. So there are two ways to see the files. One from here, this is the grid view. When we click here again, it will show in list view again. So this will show the file in the list wise, and grid view will show the files and folders in the form of thumbnails. Next option is your duplicate a file. So students, how you can duplicate a file? If in Google Drive, you can also make a duplicate of your file. So to create a duplicate copy of your file, select the desired file, click on the more action button located at the left upper right corner of the web page, or right click on the selected file, select the make a copy option. From the displayed list options, a copy of selected files will appear. And you can rename a folder also. How you can rename a folder? Select the file which you want to rename, and then click on the more options on the right side of, or on the right corner of the web page, and right click, or you can right click also and select rename options. So let's see practically also. Here we will, if you want to create a duplicate copy of the file, you have to open the file. That file you have to open, it will take a few minutes to open. Then this file is there, you can click here, and from here you can rename also, and from here you can create make a copy also from here for the फाइल मूव टू से कर सकते हो आप, यहाँ से आप रीनेम कर सकते हो. नेक्स्ट इज योर्स शेयरिंग अ फाइल. हाउ यू कैन शेयर योर फाइल. यू कैन शेयर योर फाइल with your friends, or you with your with